and in the southwest. We call upon the Kaduna Mafians. We call upon the Lantan Mafians. We call upon the Daura Caliphates. We call upon the cabals in Daura and Katsina. We call upon the lords of Bodilon Road. We call upon every one of them. They know what their plans are. They know their secrets. Have come of age. 50 years of sacrifice. Igbo, 50 years. My brother, 50 years. It took, I can count 3 Igbo men. It took 3 good Igbo men to make Abuja what it is today. 3 key Igbo men to make Abuja what it is today. It took 2 Igbo men after the war to revamp the economy of Lagos State. Okwadiko Igbo is here. He knows who they are. It took 2 Igbo men to make Lagos State what it is today economically. Not to talk of the Southeast, not to talk of other places. Then why should we be the economic rat of Nigeria? Why others run the country and milk the country and plunder the country, and we still remain part of this Nigeria? The only way we can kill the spirit of secession for the next generation is to give the Igbo man the presidency in 2023. And I think we are making that course, and we are asking, and we believe that those listening will hear, and with a heart of understanding, we call for a dialogue, we call for a discourse, and in a peaceful way, we will do it. If not, I hope that by 2023 there still be a place called Nigeria. We cannot continue to be second-class, third-class politicians, political elements, political entities in a nation that we all collectively build as it is today. And so we cannot put all our eggs in one basket, fighting for secession that will not be achieved in the next 50 years or 100 years. Quote me. And that's my own understanding. But then, if Nigeria exists in the next 50 years and the Igbos are denied to rule this country, then it becomes an act of absolute evil and injustice, which will breed not only the worst civil war that may occur in this country, but the worst bloodshed that will ever happen in Africa.
If we are divided to the extent we can't hold the same view, then it will be very bad. But I can tell you, on this issue, we are united. But I must tell you that not everybody, we don't want sellable people. We don't want people who can sell their position for money. We don't want people who are too selfish to help other people. So if you mention some names, of course, they're not Igbo enough. If you mention some names, they are not acceptable at all, because we know they will sell out. So we will bring out somebody who will show love to Fulani, who will show love to Hausa, show love to Yoruba, show love to his brother Igbo, and show love to all Nigerians.
It is our intention to go around and see that we incorporate everybody and create an awareness in them that it is time for us to cooperate, so that we give South a chance to rule. We must give them a chance to rule. And if we are not united, if they are not united, if we are not united, we can't get to the goal. So we have that in our agenda. Thank you very much.
Sorry, just